This is Maestro Kelbong. So hi guys, good morning. So we've seen the first part of yes, the first week also of this school year in our school. And right now I'm in my green uniform because it's still, you know, orientation week. And this day, our strands, HUMS, ICT, HE, and ABM will be introduced to the parents. That is the reason why I'm wearing my green uniform right now. So let's see how it goes today. And by the way, it's Maestro Kelbong once again. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, okay? Hit that like button and of course the notification bell so you will be kept updated with the things that I upload on our channel. And again, thank you so much to our 438 subscribers for subscribing and believing in our, you know, vlogs. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I hope that this channel will grow more. So anyway, almost there. I'm quite late, but it's okay. No problem. So I'm gonna keep you updated with the other things later on, so stay put and just to stay there. See you later. Guys, we are here. I am here already at the how do you call this one? This is my registration area for the parents orientations. I'm with some of the teachers. That's Mom Jelena over there. Yes. Sila Ma'am Cherry. Yeah. Say hi to my vlog. Ayan, so medyo busy po kami ngayon kasi nga marami pong parents ang pupunta for our parents orientation. So far, I've got 3 parents already. I'm excited. So after this one, they will be introducing us. So I'll see you later. So yun na nga, we are just done with the morning orientation. Actually hindi pa po tapos yung orientation, but we are done with assisting the parents here at the registration. Si Sir Bato, relax lang ng konti. Lahat kami actually. Si Ma'am Grace pa nga nakapagdala ng Netflix. Okay, so narinig nyo na. Ayan. So hintay-hintay lang po kami ng additional parents kung meron pa po. Pero feeling ko wala na kasi patapos na yung orientation. Di ba Ma'am Cherry? Yes. Si Ma'am Cherry Di Fontara. Ito naman si Ma'am Jelena Viloria. Ayan. Okay.
Maestro Kelbong.
Ginagamit na naman niya.
Listen, tingin ka naman kay Sir Kelbong.
Eh,
Sa kanya.
pag tumingin ka akin, hindi pala, hindi pwede.
Alam niya hindi sa titingin.
Video. Hey guys, so tatawagin kami sa stage one by one. We are the teachers from the HUMS ATICC. Yan, strand from Gloria, si Mr. Abad. Yan. So, hintayin natin.
And now, Department Head, Mr. Aris P. Ormita, and Mr. Fernando SLC.
Rudy.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Tapos it's yeah, we were introduced properly. Awesome. It was good. Officially, I'm an advisor. Nyagarod nga eh. Diba, Ma'am Jolens? Yes. What do you advise? What kind of advice can you give me as an advisor?
Be patient
Be patient.
and give more love to your students.
Really? I always give love. Yes. What's your advice to me? I'm a first timer as an advisor. What advice can you give me?
Advice can you give?
Yeah.
Talk to the experts.
Ah, you are an expert.
Not so.
I'm excited for this school year, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you do not forget to subscribe, okay, to my channel, Maestro Kelbong, and thank you to all the subscribers out there. So I'll see you on my next vlog. I'll see you again. Bye bye. This is Maestro Kelbong.